Hello and welcome to my tutorial on how to create a stylized character from scratch inside ZBrush. In this series of videos you will find more than 7 hours of training on how I create a stylized detective, up from blocking out with primitive shapes up to the posing stage. Creating a character is a long process that takes days or weeks depending on how far you want to take it. I'm here to show you my workflow while trying to keep it as simple as I can. Hopefully, you will learn a few more tricks along the way. Most of the videos are sped up 2 times. I don't want to hide anything from you. If you still find it hard to follow, don't worry. These videos were recorded with a frame rate of 60 frames per second. You can use any video player that lets you slow down the speed and watch it in real time with great quality. In the support files folder, you'll find a PDF containing all the links to download all the brushes I use from other artists, as well as the materials. There is also an extra video showing the process of how to use IMM fingers, which is a brush I created to speed up the process of creating hands. I really hope you find this tutorial useful and fun to watch.